Everyone thinks the best-selling handheld capping machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, High-Free 20mm Vial Crimper. The High-Free 20mm Vial Crimper caught my eye right away. Priced at $43.99, this manual sealing machine comes with 10 sets of vials, stoppers, and caps. If you want a reliable option for crimping 20mm flip-off caps, this is worth a serious look. The stainless steel construction ensures that it's not just durable but also easy to clean. It holds a solid 4.6-star rating from almost 300 reviews, which tells you that others have found it trustworthy too. Now, some people complain that the crimping process can require a bit of effort. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quality seal, that extra force is often necessary to ensure the cap stays secure. It's definitely not a deal breaker if you're used to working with manual tools. This is perfect for you if you're in pharmaceuticals or need precise sealing for small vials. Skip this one if you're looking for something fully automated or have larger bottles to cap. For the price, it's a solid investment for your sealing needs. Now, if the manual effort of the High-Free bothered you, the next option simplifies that process significantly. Product number 2, Yi-Tech 20mm Vial Crimper. The Yi-Tech 20mm Vial Crimper comes in at $39.88, catching my attention with its comfortable grip and sleek design. If you're looking for something that combines affordability and performance, this is worth a serious look. This crimper is designed to work with 20mm flip-off caps just like the High-Free, but offers a contoured handle that makes the crimping process more comfortable. It's made entirely of stainless steel, ensuring durability while being lightweight at just 1.74 pounds. With a 4.6-star rating from over 100 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its functionality. Now, some users mention that it doesn't come with a lot of extra vials compared to some competitors. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or only need a few vials, this tool efficiently meets your needs without the excess baggage. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable crimper without breaking the bank. Skip it if you need extensive supplies or have larger capping needs. Overall, it delivers solid value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an electric solution. Product number 3, ZONEPACK Electric Bottle Capping Machine. Next up is the ZONEPACK Manual Electric Bottle Capping Machine, priced at $98. I was impressed by its handheld electric design, which makes capping so much easier. If you're looking for something that speeds up the process, this is worth a serious look. This machine can handle cap diameters of 1050 and can seal bottles at a speedy rate of 30-90 bottles per minute. It has an adjustable torque, which means you can avoid damaging your caps. That's a huge plus if you've ever had a cap break on you unexpectedly. With a rating of 3.8 stars from 57 reviews, it's a solid pick for those looking to automate their capping process. Now, some users noted that it can be a bit heavy at 3 pounds, which might make prolonged use tiring. Here's the thing though, the trade-off is worth it for the efficiency you gain. If you're sealing in bulk, that weight is a small price to pay for the speed. This is perfect for you if you have a high volume of bottling to do. Skip it if you're only capping small quantities or need something ultra-lightweight. It's a good investment for serious capping needs. Now, if you're still looking for a more powerful option, the next product definitely doesn't hold back. Product number 4, Saladulce Electric Bottle Capping Machine. The Saladulce Electric Bottle Capping Machine is priced at $113.99, and it really packs a punch. Its powerful motor offers double the torque compared to its competitors. If you want a high-performance capping solution, this is worth a serious look. It can handle 30-90 bottles per minute, and its ergonomic design makes it easier to use for extended periods. With a rating of 3.7 stars from 28 reviews, it shows that it's powerful but not without its quirks. Now, some users found it a bit complicated to set up at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the ease of use for high-volume tasks is unmatched. A slight learning curve can be worth it when you see how smoothly it operates. This is perfect for you if you need a robust machine for a busy setting. Skip it if you're looking for something straightforward without the power. It's a solid buy for serious capping operations. Lastly, if you want something with even more adjustability, check out the final product on my list. Product number 5, Saladulce Adjustable Electric Bottle Capping Machine. Finally, we have the Saladulce Adjustable Electric Bottle Capping Machine at $129.99. This one is all about control with its adjustable torque feature. If precision is what you're after, this is worth a serious look. This versatility makes it suitable for various bottle types. It boasts a high rating of 4.7 stars from 8 reviews, indicating that users appreciate its precision and ease of use. Now, some users reported that the price might be a bit steep for occasional use. Here's the thing though, if you're consistently working with different types of bottles, the investment pays off in time and quality. This is perfect for you if accuracy and speed are your top priorities. Skip it if you only need a capping solution occasionally. It offers great value for frequent users. So to wrap things up, we covered the Hi-Free and Yi-Tech crimpers for manual sealing, the ZONEPACK and Saladulce electric machines for efficiency, and the Saladulce adjustable model for precision. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs.